Picture a world without the vibrant colors of blooming flowers, the juicy fruits hanging from trees, or the lush greenery that blankets our landscapes. It's a world devoid of life, where the delicate balance of nature hangs in the balance. But thanks to the tireless efforts of a tiny yet mighty creature, the bee, our world thrives with abundance and diversity. In the ecosystem of pollination, bees reign supreme as nature's most efficient messengers. With their fuzzy bodies coated in pollen, bees flit from flower to flower, transferring pollen grains with each graceful landing.